Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2118 code? This code means the throttle actuator control motor current is not within the expected range. If you ignore this issue, your vehicle may go into limp mode, causing poor acceleration and reduced engine performance. P2118 stands for Throttle Actuator Control Motor Current Range Performance. In simple terms, the ECU has detected that the electronic throttle control motor is drawing too much or too little current, which indicates a performance issue. This system controls the throttle electronically drive-by-wire, which regulates how much air enters the engine for proper combustion and performance. Common symptoms include check engine light on, reduced engine power, poor acceleration, delayed throttle response, and sometimes engine stalling. In many cases, you may also see a reduced engine power warning on the dashboard. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The throttle body with actuator motor is located on the intake manifold, where air enters the engine. It includes the throttle plate, actuator motor, and throttle position sensors. The wiring harness connects the throttle body to the ECU and is exposed to heat, dust, and vibration inside the engine bay. For quick diagnosis, start by scanning for additional trouble codes because P2118 is often triggered along with other throttle-related issues. Then inspect the throttle body connector for loose wiring, corrosion, or damaged pins. Check for wiring faults, poor grounding, or voltage supply issues that can affect motor current. Also inspect the throttle body for carbon buildup or mechanical resistance. If the actuator motor is not performing within range, the throttle body assembly may need replacement. Finally, repair any wiring issues, ensure proper voltage supply, clean the throttle body if required, replace faulty components if necessary, perform a throttle relearn procedure, clear the code, and complete a proper road test. Fixing P2118 on time will restore proper throttle control, smooth acceleration, and safe engine performance.